Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ashidemis, and of course you're watching Keeping Up with Ashidemis. So family, a quick one. This is actually Monday morning, just a quick one. So there was this time I was actually chatting with this guy online, and everything was going smoothly and all of that. We chat every day. So there was this time that he actually just texted me, and then I was replying reluctantly. And then it was like, tell me kilo shell there. Like this, so that you are replying reluctantly like this. So waiting happen. So I told him that I'm not feeling too well. He felt bothered, he felt concerned. What happened to you? I think I was not even responding. He called me or something. What happened to you? Kilo shell, which type of sickness in me? To understand as a concerned friend. So I told him that okay, I am having menstrual pain. Was I oh okay. Sorry. Full stop. Sorry. Full stop. You know that in this part of the world, I don't know, generally, menstrual pain or menstrual cramps is actually underrated. Is actually underrated. I just wish God can actually just swap. I just feel like this guy should actually feel it for 1 month each. But they know waiting with their face. But everyone knows that was the last time I chatted with the guy. And I think I'll put it in this video. I told you I have menstrual pain. And you're telling me sorry. Finish. And that was it. And God never chat me up again. Till when he just randomly, how are you feeling? He did never ask me how are you feeling. Have you eaten? Nothing. You know those pampa, that kind of thing. It did not even do anything. So because it's menstrual pain now, it doesn't deserve attention. It doesn't deserve special care. It's only when I tell you I have malaria, I have typhoid, God forbid, I'll tell you I have cancer. That's when you'll be like, can you come? Menstrual pain is actually underrated. And that's one of those things I actually look at. But that's why people say, you fight with everybody, you don't talk to people and what have you. Menstrual pain, if you cannot value so that was I actually just stopped talking to that guy, and then he chatted me. He was like, I don't respond to it. I never tell him what he did because I don't have strength to be explaining. Kinikon, how will I tell you I have menstrual pain and you be telling me sorry? That's it, full stop. You know how that menstrual pain they take to person? I actually prefer to have malaria. I prefer to have typhoid. In fact, I prefer to have malaria and typhoid together than having menstrual pain. Even at times, even if the pain is not that severe, for the fact that something is even coming out of my body, say, Jesus, in the next 5 days, my enemy is like totally useless, like not doing anything. And then you feel like it's one normal phenomenon. Small care that you're supposed to do and say, oh yeah, well, like all those ajo that somebody you tell me sorry. Really, if your guy, your friends, your male friends does not know the magnitude or the, how will I put that in English, of menstrual pain, I'm not sure you actually have a friend. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's people like that. If we end up marrying now, they'll leave me in the labor ward. They'll go and be watching football. Chelsea and Man, they'll say, it's not a normal bet. If their parents get bet to them, just there. It's people like that. And why I'm actually saying this is because divorce rate is actually high. Really, as I've said it now, you will be like, but ordinary because of menstrual, it's not a sorry for your menstrual pain. Stop talking to him. That's not enough issue. But trust me, if anything eventually happens between us, I'll take this a step further, and then we get dating and everything. To me, to those people that used to see that small, you still be seeing that small thing. If he doesn't care about you during your period, trust me, pregnancy will not make any difference. In fact, that one is going to be worse because that one will come with his own special hormone. And the guy will be telling you that Shebi, his mother was pregnant for his last born. This thing that she did not react like this. Why is it on like this? That one is going to be worse. Because I'm really tired of hearing stories. You come on, Jose, my husband is not clinical. And you know that even most people for menstruation, but for me, I used to have this swollen face and most of those this thing like that. So if a guy cannot show you just small care, concern during your menstrual period, the pregnancy is not guaranteed. If people actually pay attention to these early signs, these early things, I think divorce rate and complaint rates and sending mails to Joro will actually reduce. But no, You feel like he's nothing now, he's kidney corner, he's that one now. That's why some girls felt like if you visit a guy and you're on your period, stain his bedsheet immediately, intentionally, and see his reaction. Truly, the person did not lie. It's true. It's from small this thing like this, it will turn to big one. Whatever you ignore while you're dating, that's what you should just keep ignoring when you're married. And trust me, when you get married, it will actually become worse. It will become worse because for guys, I think when they marry, they used to feel like no, okay, they can do whatever they like, that they are doing us a favor getting married. So that's why me, I am really very selective. I smell with my nose, hear with my ear, taste with my tongue, and I feel for everything, and I'm very sensitive with it. Even if it's not about a guy, even with a normal girl, like I read meanings to everything because me, I don't want future heartbreak. I don't want, if you want to wake up, move wake up now. I don't understand. So that was the last time I actually chatted with the guy, and I know he will watch this video because he used to comment on my. I know he will watch it. So, uncle, if you're wondering why you were texting me and I was reading, I was like, is it not obvious that I was that is what you did? And some people be like, why didn't I tell him? Me, I don't understand. There's no essence of me telling him because I'm very sure you went to secondary school, you did biology. Even if you don't do biology, I'm sure you would have heard it. Even a baby knows about how severe menstrual pain has always been for everybody. It's obvious. It's very obvious. Everybody have heard that. But you, just common sense, you cannot have. It's not me that want to teach you how to be. But I don't have that strength. So guys, that will be all. Another episode of Keeping Up with Ashley Davis. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to click that subscribe button. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you in my next video. So I'm actually having breakout. Gary. I know most people will not agree with me and say that's the flimsiest thing to actually stop talking to someone. Leave it. I don't have strength, energy, keeping friendship that is not, understand. And the one that pain me most is even after I said that sorry, I was still expecting, okay, during the day, you still chat with me and ask me, how are you doing? He just said stop, sorry, and put full stop, and that was it. Then I chatted me like the third day or this thing. Like, wait, you are feeling like, okay, she for don't finish now, she for don't leave that mood, we go chat now. So whatever is important is us talking. I don't care about my how I feel, my health, and what have you. Could blocking. No, I didn't block him this time because I didn't find followers for Instagram. So I didn't block him. Let me just stay there. So guys, thanks for watching another episode of Keeping Up with Ashley Davis. And trust me, I always bring good tidings to you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my very next video. Bye. I didn't wear earring. I'm just saying it. Bye bye.